Social Studies Class 4 Chapter 5 The Coastal Plains and Islands. Climate and Weather. Climate is the condition of the atmosphere in an area over a long period of time. So, what is called an atmosphere? An atmosphere is a layer or a set of layers of gases surrounding a planet or other material body. Climate means the usual condition of the temperature, humidity, atmospheric pressure, wind, rainfall and other meteorological elements in an area of the Earth's surface for a long time. Example: you can expect snow in the northeast in January or for it to be hot and humid in the southeast in July. When we say that there would be snow falling in the northeast in January, we are describing the climate of that place. Weather is the state of the atmosphere at a place and time. Example: when we say that it is very cold today, we are describing the weather of that place. Climate and weather. Climate is the weather condition of an area over a long period of time. In this picture, we can see the warm climate, and here we can see the cold climate. Next, climate of a place depends on average monthly or yearly temperature. This is a thermometer. Thermometer is the device used to measure temperature. Climate of a place depends upon average amount of rainfall or snow. In this picture, the rain is falling and here snow is falling. Weather. Condition of the atmosphere at a particular time and place is called weather. Weather changes every day. It may even change during the same day. Sometimes a sunny weather in the morning turns cloudy or windy in the evening. So we can't predict the weather. It can change every day. So once again, weather is the condition of atmosphere at a particular place and time. Then weather changes every day. It may even change during the same day. Or sometimes a sunny weather in the morning turns cloudy or windy in the evening. What all things influences climate and weather? First one, food habits. Second, dressing patterns. Third, type of settlements. The type of food people grow and eat. The type of clothes they wear. The type of homes they live in. So once again, weather and climate influences the type of food people grow or eat, the type of clothes they wear, the type of homes they live in. Next, factors affecting climate. First, distance from the sea affects the climate as the places that are located near the sea have a pleasant climate as compared to those that are far away from the sea. Second, altitude of a place also influences its climate. For example, places located high up in the mountains are cooler than places in the plains. Third, factors such as wind, rainfall and temperature also affect the climate of a region. The last one, the places on and near the equator have a hot climate as compared to the places that are far away. So once again, what all factors affecting climate? First one, distance from the sea affects the climate as the places near to the sea. Second, altitude. Third one, factors such as wind, rainfall and temperature also affect the climate of a region. And fourth one, places near the equator feel very hot climate. Distance from the equator. The climate of a place is greatly influenced by its distance from the equator. Why places near the equator are hotter? The places near the equator are hotter because the rays of the sun fall vertically on the equator. Second, altitude or height. Altitude of a place greatly influences the climate. Places at higher altitudes have colder climates than places at lower altitudes. For example, Ooty is cool even in summers because of its heights, though it lies near equator. Higher the area, the climate would be colder. Why places near the coastal areas have pleasant climate as compared to the places far away from the coastal area? The reason is coastal areas have pleasant climate because the land absorbs and radiates heat much faster than the sea. So the reason is the land absorbs and radiates heat much faster than sea. So during the day, cool air from the sea rushes towards the land, and during night, cool air from the land rushes towards sea. Seasons of India. In India, we have three main seasons: summer, monsoon, winter. In other parts of the world, there are two more seasons: autumn and spring. First one, summer season. In India, summer falls between March and May. The hottest months of the year are May and June. In summer season, extreme heats and hot winds blow throughout the day. The days are long and the nights are short. The places near the sea are cooler as the sea breeze blows there. In the northern plains, very hot winds called Lu blow during the day. The desert region in the northwestern part of India is extremely hot in the summer season. Mountains have a cool climate during summer. Next one is monsoon season. The monsoon or rainy season falls between June and September. Moisture-laden winds begin to blow towards the land from the sea. These winds bring a large amount of moisture with them and blows from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. Humidity in the air rises, which causes the amount of water vapor in the air to increase. In India, farmers depend upon the monsoon rains for the agriculture. The region which gets excessive rainfall causes flood and region gets less rainfall sometimes lead to drought. The western coast and eastern and northeastern regions receive heavy rainfall. The states like Rajasthan and Gujarat got less rainfall. Next, winter season. Winter season in India falls between November and February. In the northern plains, very cold winds blow, making the region extremely cold. The days are short and the nights are long in winter season. In this time, most of the hilly areas receive heavy snowfall. And January is the coldest month in the northern plains. During the winter season, desert is pleasant during the day but cold at night. The coastal plains experiences pleasant weather. The Coromandel coast in Tamil Nadu receives heavy rainfall during the season. Next, Spring and autumn. The spring season is the most pleasant season, comes just after winter. In this season, plants bear new leaves and flowers. This season falls between mid-February to mid-April. Then autumn arrives after the monsoon season. Autumn falls during the month of September and October. Then this time is the best time for harvesting crops. Then autumn can be experienced in Wayanad, Kolkata, Darjeeling, Ladakh and many other places. Dictation words. Here are some words you should by heart. Spell the words. First one, climate, then atmosphere, weather, influence, describing, pleasant, temperature, hemisphere, equator, autumn, monsoon, breeze, extremely, moisture, humidity, droughts, cyclones, coastal, spring, and Ladakh. Thank you.